Areas. Question number 1. The area of the region bounded by x square is equal to 8y, comma x is equal to 4 and x axis is. Here, first of all, we draw a diagram for the given parabola. This is symmetric about positive y axis. So that's why this is like this. And the line x is equal to 4 is x is equal to 4. This is a line. Required area is bounded by the parabola and the straight line. That is, the shaded part is the required area. It is origin. So the required area is integral 0 to 4 y dx. So that is called integral 0 to 4 y means x square by 8 dx. Now 1 by 8 into integral of x square is x cube by 3. Applying the limits 0 to 4. Now this is 1 by 24 into 4 cube minus 0. That is 64 by 24. That is equal to 8 by 3 square units. That is the required area of the curve. Question number 2. The area bounded by the x-axis and the curve y is equal to 4x minus x square minus 3 is. Here we solve the problem. Given curve y is equal to minus of x square minus 4x plus 3. Now this is minus of x minus 1 into x minus 3. X minus 1 into x minus 3. So the curve is, this is the coordinate axis, this is x axis. The curve is it above the x axis or below the x axis? That depends on the interval value which lies in between 1 and 3. So the value which lies in between 1 and 3 is 2. Substituting 2 on this equation, 2 minus 1 is 1, 2 minus 3 is minus 1, plus 1 into minus 1 is minus 1, minus into minus plus. So that's why the curve is lies above the x-axis. So this is 1, 3. This is the required curve. The required area is integral 1 to 3 y dx. That's called integral 1 to 3 4x minus x square minus 3 into dx. That is equal to 4 into x square by 2 minus x cube by 3 minus 3x 1 to 3. So that is equal to 2. 2 into 9 minus 27 by 3 minus 9. Lower limit is 2 minus 1 by 3 minus 3. So this is equal to 9 minus 9 plus minus 9 minus 9 minus 18 plus 18 0 minus taking LCM is minus 1 by 3 minus 1. So LCM is minus 4 and 4 by 3 square units. This is the required area. Third question. The area bounded by y is equal to 2x minus x square and the line y is equal to minus x given by, given curve is y is equal to 2x minus x square and the given line is y is equal to minus x. Solve these two, curve and the line, we get minus x is equal to 2x minus x square. So this is minus 3x minus x square is equal to minus x square. Minus cancel, x is equal to 0 comma x is equal to 3 are the points of intersection of the line. When x is equal to 0, y is equal to 0. And when x is equal to 3, y is equal to minus 3. So therefore, the curve, this represents an equation of a parabola which passes through origin. Unlike this it is. The curve cuts the x-axis at G. The curve passes through origin and it cuts the x-axis at 2, 0. 2. So origin. The given line is also passes through origin and cuts the curve at 3. This is 3. So the required area is, this is the required area. So therefore, required area is integral 0 to 3 upper curve minus lower curve. Upper curve is the given curve equation, that is 2x minus x square minus given line is this, y is equal to minus x. So minus of minus plus x dx. So that is called integral 0 to 3 3x minus x square dx. Now this is 3 by 2 into x square minus x cube by 3, 0 to 3 is the limits. So 3 by 2 into 9 minus 27 by 9, lower limit is 0. So that is equal to 27 by 2 minus 27 by 9. This means it is 3. 27 by 2 minus 3. This is 3. 9. 27 minus 18 by 2. That is 9 by 2 square units. The area bounded by y is equal to cos x and y is equal to sin x between the ordinates x is equal to 0 and x is equal to 3 pi by 2. So first of all we draw a curve y is equal to cos x and y is equal to sin x. This is the coordinate axis, origin. The curve y is equal to sin x passes through origin and it cuts the x-axis at pi, and it is like this. Now the y is equal to cos x. Cos x passes through, does not passes through origin. It is 1 to pi by 2. Pi it is minus and it is like this. These two curves are intersect at a point pi by 4 and this is 1 unit and it is pi by 2 and pi 5 pi by 4 and 3 pi by 4, 3 pi by 2. Start. The area bounded by the sin x curve, this is sin x curve and this is cos x curve. Area bounded by the sin x and cos x in the given intervals, that is this one. The shaded area is the required area between the curves. The shaded area is the required area between the curves.